For more than 25 years, we develop software for the producers of furniture and design elements. We as imos cover the process from sales to production.
Roughly, we have 34 companies which are working as a partner for imos worldwide, and they're coming from Asia, from Australia, North, South America, Africa, of course also from Europe. Today we have more than 80 countries who have installations of imos.
What we do now is we look for the answer of question, how will the young generation buy furniture in the future? And our approach is that we want to integrate the consumer into the design and planning process.
Over the last 2 years, we worked really hard to get our users' experiences and to collect all that information from the markets, from different customers. And today we are really happy to present this within our new version, imos iX 2019.
iX Interior is an ecosystem which combines all the different parties like end consumer, manufacturer and suppliers, and help them to have a complete automated process.
But what's planned for the future is we can also do cooperation. The planner and the users can interact in the same room, so we can have multiple users from many locations connected to each other.
This will become the standard of the furniture industry.
And now the party should start.